Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have a very special video made for you. Yeah, for you. Especially if you're into arts and craft, this video is for you. And also if you like cool Mario World characters, this video is gonna be for you definitely. So today I'm gonna show you how you can turn a cereal box like this one. It doesn't matter the brand, it doesn't matter what cereal it is. All it matters is that you have a cardboard like this. If you have two, great. If you have a large one, even better. So without further ado, let me show you what we're going to be making today on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Alright guys, and today we are making a thwomp. So hopefully I pronounced that correctly. If not, I know you guys won't miss that opportunity to correct me, so leave it in the comment. I know it's coming. But anyway guys, this is what we're gonna be making today. I had a lot of fun making this, but before we move on, I want to go over the list of tools that you guys are gonna need to make this happen. So first of all, you guys are gonna need scissors,
double-sided tape or just regular tape. We're gonna need
and that is it. I believe I got everything covered here. So before we move on, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go Google search a thwomp, an illustrated thwomp that we can print out as a PDF. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. All right, and here is my print. We're gonna be using this as the reference to make our thwomp. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, and here is our final product. What do you guys think? So we basically made this out of a cereal box. Well, I used 2, maybe 3. So a couple things I want to point out really quick. So right now I have my Thwomp connected to a bank battery. You can connect this also, this LED light strip. You can connect this to a 5 voltage little cube that your phones use it as well, if you want to do it that way. The cool thing about this LED light strip, I believe I bought this a long time ago at Five Below, is that it includes a remote control, which is really cool. So I can change the colors of my Thwomp. So if I want to change it to green color, I can do that. If I want to change it blue, I can do that as well. Or it has also the flash effect, which basically it cycles through different colors, and the strobe. Yeah, I think that's the one it does. And it also has fade and smooth. So anyway, so the cool thing is you can change the colors however you want, and also you can change the brightness. So let's go ahead really quick and turn off the light here and see what that looks like. Here we go. Oh, let's dim the light a little bit. Let's drop to, let's see. How cool is that, huh? Pretty cool, right? So a couple things that I want to point out is, if you guys can, make sure you design or implement maybe an opening on the back. I did have some problems with my LED light, so I had to make this in section right here at the bottom, kind of like where you put AA batteries, but obviously this is not running off batteries. But I made a little opening right here because I connected the lights wrong, so I had to fix that. So if you can't, maybe on your design you can implement maybe a bigger door, which it will allow you to remove the lights if you need to, or if you need to change it to different lights, you can do so much easier than a small little opening. So besides that, I think it turned out really cool, and I can't wait to show you how this looks maybe on my shelves and maybe next to Mario. Other than that, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get creative, you want to make one of these, please send me pictures. I would love to see them. Any questions about this product, let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you did like this video, if you can hit that like button, and if you like the content I'm producing, don't forget to subscribe here to the channel. All right, guys, so I will see you guys next time. I got some really cool stuff for you guys coming up this year. So take care, guys. Bye.